Day 10 of converting this Ford Transit into a camper van. Previously we installed the lights, cladded the back doors and finished the bed. Today we fitted our hinges to the kitchen cupboard doors and added black door handles. I have started cladding the sliding door whilst Adam installed L-shaped aluminium trim to the edge of the sliding door and the back doors. And now that we had our template, we could start cutting out the hole for our smev 9222 sink and hob unit. And once we had traced the template onto our worktop, we then had to cut it out using the jigsaw. We were now finally able to install the kitchen unit into the van, which fits perfect and looks great. The sink and hob unit was then put into place to be screwed in. As you can see, the van is now almost finished. We've gone for a white and wood theme, which can be seen around the van. We now need to install our plumbing under the sink. We need to install the split charge relay, USB port and fuse box. We need to complete the pull-out chair and table, and then it's the decor and final touches. We are now away for 1 week, but follow for day 11 where we will have a window installed and we will finish the van.